It's behind big stone markers and fencing sectioned off from the surrounding community since 1955. But people who live in Tracy say that without doubt, the explosive testing that happens here at the Lawrence Livermore Lab, Site 300, touches their daily lives right now.
It's our health and it's for the babies.
Gail Rieger is one of about 80 upset people.
What does that mean to my grandchildren?
Who came to this public hearing to make sure the San Joaquin Valley Air Pollution Control District had no doubt they're worried about what may be blowing in the wind if Site 300 gets a permit to increase the material it explodes by tenfold.
We're going to increase the amount from 100 pounds to 1,000 pounds a day, and 1,000 pounds is what the yearly amount is right now.
Guys that were in Nam with Agent Orange, that was not supposed to hurt them.
Site 300 provides testing that supports the nation's Nuclear Security Administration through the Department of Energy. It fabricates explosives, instrumental to a lab stewardship program, which is designed to ensure the safety and reliability of the U.S. nuclear weapons stockpile. As the nation fine-tunes its nuclear posture, the government says it needs outdoor blasting of more hydrogen cyanide and 120 other hazardous contaminants here to develop countermeasures to IEDs and study how such materials react to shock waves. Just 4 years ago on the proposed site for expanded blasting,
Lab personnel found 80 pounds of uranium-238.
I spoke with the lab about this and they confirmed that some such metal fragments were found, and they speculate that these are blast fragments that likely came from research activities a long time ago.
That was the response from one member of the district's board on that issue. This facility is already a Superfund site, declared one of the most contaminated in America back in 1990. If the current pace of cleanup continues, estimates are it won't be remediated until 2080. Still, from analysis done here so far,
particular proposed project, the health risks were found to be far below significance level.
That's why the Air Pollution District's governing board says a full project review under the California Environmental Quality Act, or CEQA, isn't necessary. The board didn't come up with the preliminary permit approval for the expansion efforts at Site 300. Staff did. This group tried to make it very clear to the board that there hasn't been enough research into factors they should be considering. Board members admitted they didn't even know the city of Tracy wrote to the Department of Energy last December opposing this project. And for the noise from the blast, which is set to exceed regulatory limits of 126 decibels.
The physical study's already been done, and I'm not surprised Lawrence Livermore Lab did not provide you with it because it refutes everything they're telling you. But I'm going to provide it to you. And if you guys want more copies, I got a lot of them.
The board got a lot of new information tonight that they promise to process. No word yet on another. A deadly crash